you decide to work in the trades?
Well, I didn't always know I wanted to work in the trades until a certain place showed me what it's all about. A place called Skills Alberta. Skills Alberta is a program funded by the Alberta government to help students explore the trades and jobs in the industry that they could do. From cooking to welding to carpentry to video editing, trades have a lots of diverse jobs. However, like me back then, you may be asking yourself, so what's the big deal? One key element, growth. From electricity to running water to even roads. Trades have helped pave the path for our present by helping you improve essential skills like numeracy, writing, and even digital skills, which can be useful when job hunting for your future. When I finally understood that, I was able to start my journey to become a master of the trades. Well, that's the story of my greatness, but it's not good enough to be great alone. For the benefit of everyone, we need more people in trades. We need you. So what are you waiting for?